Attention job seekers. Exciting job in Dubai from Alemco Electro-Mechanical Service Company. Transcend HR Consultancy is conducting a final client interview on 13th March in Chennai at Transcend Institute and 14th March in Trichy at JRS Industrial Training Institute. It's a golden opportunity for freshers and experienced candidates. We are hiring for multiple positions. Building Electrician. Salary 1100 to 1300 Dirham plus overtime. Plumber. Salary 1100 to 1300 Dirham plus overtime. Ductman HVAC. Salary 1100 to 1300 Dirham plus overtime. PVC Pipe Fitter. Salary 1100 to 1300 Dirham plus overtime. CCTV Technician ELV. Salary 1100 to 1300 Dirham plus overtime. Electrical Chargehand. Salary 1600 to 2000 Dirham plus overtime. Plumbing Chargehand. Salary 1600 to 2000 Dirham plus overtime. Ductman HVAC Chargehand. Salary 1600 to 2000 Dirham plus overtime. PVC Pipe Fitting Chargehand. Salary 1600 to 2000 Dirham plus overtime. Exclusive benefits. Free food and free accommodation. 8-hour duty plus paid overtime. 2-year contract period. Eligibility criteria. Freshers and experienced candidates can apply. Age limit 21 to 55 years. ECR and ECNR passports accepted. For more details and to apply, call or WhatsApp us now at 787-185-8331 or 98400-73689. Apply now and stay updated. Download the Transcend Global Jobs app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Your Gulf job dream starts here. Apply today.